Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Y'all, I received something awesome in the mail today. Can't wait to share it. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new subscribers, and thank you to everyone who is supporting me in so many positive ways. Have you ever had one of those days where nothing goes right until something does? Well, that's today for me. Everything has been just a little bit off kilter. Plans that I've been working on aren't going as hoped, and today was shaping up to be somewhat of a bummer. And then I received a package in the mail. And what I received, I really want to share it with you guys because I'll be using it on the channel, and I know that some of you are going to want to get your hands on some of this. So I'm going to switch my camera angle and show you exactly what I'm talking about. So for those of you who've been with me for a while, you know that on this channel I love to craft with rolled paper or sheet paper because it gives my projects the seamless look that I want when I'm making certain items. And Hobby Lobby used to carry some awesome rolled paper, and I've used it on the channel many times to make some projects that you guys have loved. But a couple of years ago, they decided to stop offering the rolled paper. So recently I was online and I saw some paper that measured 17 inches wide. The Hobby Lobby paper was 14 inches wide and 40 feet long. But y'all, look at what I found. This rolled paper comes in a set of 3 and it is 17 by 12. Now when I bought mine, it was close to $12 for the whole set of 3. So that works out to about $4 a roll. And I'm not sure what the price will be if you guys go out and place an order. But if you check the description box and you go in through my Amazon storefront, you will see this trio shown there. And I also wanted to share this trio. And the reason why this one was appealing to me is because this paper right here was very similar in style to the paper that so many of you fell in love with. But look at how gorgeous these are. This is going to make some beautifully coordinated projects when I start to use it. And I'm actually going to start using it pretty soon. I ordered a third set, but it won't be here until next week. But I did want to go ahead and share this with you because I was so excited and so pleased by the quality of this paper. Now I'm going to go ahead and open this one. You can see that it has the grid marks on the back. And y'all, look at how beautiful this wrapping paper is. We have some pink hearts and then we have the gold hearts. And they really are gold hearts because they have that shimmer to them. This is some super beautiful paper that I think you are going to love using in your crafts. I'm going to go ahead and open this one as well and give you guys a look at this pink polka dotted paper. I'm sure that many of you can imagine this on one of my projects or on one of your projects. This is that classic elegant style that I like to use in my paper crafting. Y'all are always asking me, where do you find your beautiful papers? Well, rolled sheet papers is one of the ways that I get that beautiful classic look on my projects. And let's go ahead and take a look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at how gorgeous this paper is. With Mother's Day right around the corner in the US, Mother's Day is coming up, I believe, on Sunday in the UK. But in the US, Mother's Day will be in May. So if you know a mom or someone who has been a nurturing spirit in your life, this is a beautiful paper to use to make something for them. Now, all of these papers are coordinated and designed to work together. Look at how gorgeous that combination actually is. I'm going to lay these hearts down so that you can see nothing is distracting because it all works together. So these are some beautiful rolled paper options that if you get a chance to, go out and check out this particular store on Amazon because they have some gorgeous papers. I am not affiliated with the store. It's just a store I happened to run across when I was online looking for rolled paper. And I got so excited about the quality of the other rolls that I had, I decided to go ahead and open these because I need for you guys to see this beautiful, beautiful blue with the rose gold polka dots and then the white polka dots. Let's go ahead and open our pink. So this is like a confetti paper. That's what it reminds me of, but it's a beautiful, classy confetti paper. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous shimmery pink with gold confetti throughout. And then the last one in the bunch is this beautiful floral print. And like I said, y'all, these are going to work well with each other because that works and this works. We can actually use all three on one project. It's okay to mix your patterns, especially when all of the colors play off of one another and they work well together. So I wish I had the other trio that I could show you, but I was just so excited about this and I needed for something to go right today. So I decided I would go ahead and share these beautiful rolls of paper. And like I said, I'm not affiliated with the store, but I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you do purchase any of these papers, of course, I will earn a small commission. But more so than the commission, I would love for you guys to be able to get your hands on some of this beautiful paper because I know that when I start using it in my crafts, you're going to want to have it. So click on my Amazon storefront link in the description box and don't just order this paper. Check out all of the papers that they have to offer because they have a lot that I didn't place an order for that you might want to. And I know that we all love our 6x6s, 8x8s, and 12x12s. But y'all know what? There is a huge place in our paper crafting. Huge place for rolled paper. So the more we use it, the more it will catch on in paper crafting. Y'all, I hope that you have enjoyed this look at these beautiful rolled papers that I purchased and will be using in my paper crafting. If you have enjoyed having a look at these rolled papers, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.